Hello everyone, if you want to know how you can delete your Google account, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Google account permanently on your computer easily. First off, you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to go on to gmail.com, and here you're going to click onto your account at the top right corner of the page. You're going to click onto manage your Google account, and here you're going to click onto this search box. You're going to click delete account. And then here you have this first option, delete your Google account. You're going to click onto that. And then you're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page. In here, you're going to tick both of these check boxes and you're going to click onto delete account. Once you do that, you will have successfully deleted your Google account permanently. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to delete your Google account permanently. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.